patching up this last weak spot here on this box. Hey guys, Kerry Werner here, and Bikeflights brand ambassador, to walk you through a few tricks and tips to help you avoid the #1 reason bikes get delayed or lost in transit, and that is faulty label attachment. So everybody knows how to throw a label on a cardboard box. At least I hope you do. Let's just walk through it just in case. So you tape up your box, get your label, put it on a nice flat spot. Don't just cover 2 sides or 3 sides, cover all the sides and cover the whole top. There should be 0 paper showing. Now we'll turn to the soft case box. This is where things get a little tricky. You see this material, along with hard case boxes that have awkward, not super flat surfaces, make it challenging to get tape and a label to affix evenly and without any bubbles that might get snagged. I mean, when you put tape on this box, just a little bit of wind will knock that thing off. So, how do you avoid all this? A couple things really. You can pick this up at your local UPS shipping store. It's just a label sleeve. This is an adhesive backing, and so you put the label in this sleeve, slap it on the box, good to go. But we still have this problem of the adhesive not sticking. That's where these luggage tags come in. You can also pick these up at the UPS store, or you could go to the sweet link in the video description and make your own via a template, courtesy of Bikeflights. It's quite simple really. Go to the link in the video description and print out your luggage tag template. Cut out around the dotted lines and use this to lay over a piece of cardboard, trace it, cut it out, fold it through your handle, zip tie it, and attach your label. Or, and here's a pro tip, you can take old race numbers and use them as luggage tags. Just take the template and follow the same process that you did with the cardboard cutout. Make sure you don't forget the zip tie, and you are dialed. Make sure those race numbers are not the cool cloth kind, which are great for racing, not the best for this. You're gonna want something pretty sturdy and rigid. Those paper ones that are not so great to pin are great for this purpose. For good measure, throw one inside. That way, if things do get lost, they can open it up, find your second label, have a better chance of getting it back on track. Be sure to subscribe to Bikeflights on YouTube to get the latest how-tos and info on how to pack your bike. Thanks for watching. See you next time.